welcome everyone. So, my daughter has poured in the names. She's going to pick. See, she is not looking. Alright, here we go. The winner is, drum roll. Alright, 3, 2, 1. She got one, and let's see who it is. Pages and Pens. So, Pages and Pen. I don't know if you were from, I should have wrote that down, if it was from like Twitter or Facebook or if it was Instagram or if it was here. I will be posting the winner definitely today, so I'll post it on all of them. That way, you know, if this is your name, then get a hold of me. Alright. You need to get a hold of me so that I can give you the information on how to claim your prize, okay? Alright, well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell. We're not going to throw these names away because my daughter and I is going to do another drawing sometime in the month of July. Alright? So, give you a little more information on that in my next video. Alright, you guys. I love y'all, and congratulations again to Pages and Pens. Alright. Love y'all. Say bye.
Bye-bye.